Bug bites can be both uncomfortable and dangerous. It's important to keep the bugs away, but instead of using conventional recipes and showering your body in harmful chemicals, try this homemade bug spray recipe. Today's video will discuss homemade bug spray and all natural ingredients. Half cup witch hazel, half cup apple cider vinegar, 40 drops essential oils, a mix of eucalyptus, lemongrass, citronella, tea tree or rosemary. 1 8-ounce glass spray bottle. Instructions: place witch hazel, apple cider vinegar, and essential oils in an 8-ounce glass spray bottle. Shake well. Spray over all portions of the body, but avoid repellent in eyes and mouth. Notes: in addition to keeping away bugs, this bug spray also helps kill bacteria and nourish your skin, with the powerful benefits of witch hazel, apple cider vinegar and essential oils. Are you going to try this recipe? Let me know in the comments section below.